Hello students, welcome back to Luminary Academy, and today I'm doing question number 8 of class 10 chapter number 8 exercise 8.1. And in this question it is written that 3 cot A is equals to 4. So check the value of 1 minus 10 square A upon 1 plus 10 square A is equals to cos square A minus sin square A or not. Okay, so you need to check the values. How you need to do is, first you need to rearrange this. So if you rearrange this, it will be looking like cot A is equals to 4 upon 3, right? So if I make a triangle, I already told you to make a right angle triangle every time if you have a question from trigonometry. So A, B and C. Okay, so this is theta A because it is written at cot A. So this is our angle theta. Okay, so now here you already know that tan A is equals to if you talk about the ratios, so through proper brushing, so cot will be brushing proper. So I'm writing here only brushing proper. So base is your 4. Okay, so base is 4 and your perpendicular is 3. You need to find the hypotenuse. Okay, so to find that, what you will do is, to find that, what you will be doing is that you need to find the hypotenuse. So I'm directly doing it. So it is AC square is equals to 3 square plus 4 square. 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. Okay, so this will be 25. So AC square will be 25. So AC will be under root of 25, that is 5. So you got the value of AC, it is 5 unit. Okay, now you need to check the value for tan, sine and cos. So you need to first find all the three ratios. Okay, so what is tan theta? Through proper brushing, so tan theta will be same. So tan A, because it is tan A, sorry, not tan theta, tan A, so angle will be A only. So this theta, angle A will be your theta. So perpendicular is 3 and base is 4. So tan A is this 3 by 4. Okay, and cos A will be, some people have curly black hair, sine also we need to find, so write sine also. Some people have curly black hairs. So base, cos A will be base, so 4 upon 5 will be cos A, and sin A will be 3 upon 5, right? Now you need to check the values for LHS and RHS. So you need to check for both the sides. So I'm first solving LHS, so I'll be writing solving LHS, solving left hand side, right? So what you will be doing here is, first 1 minus sine, sorry, tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A. So you need to put the value, substitute the value here. 1 minus tan A will be 3 by 4 whole square upon 1 plus 3 by 4 whole square. So this will be 1 minus 9 upon 16 upon 1 plus 9 upon 16. So this is upon 1, this is upon 1. So I'll be taking LCM as 16 here, and I'll be taking LCM as 16 here. Okay, so this will become 16 minus 9, 16 minus 9 upon 16, right? And again this will become 16 plus 9. This will become 16 plus 9. I'm solving this part upon 16. So in both the case denominators are same, so this will be cut. So what is left? 16 minus 9. Okay, so 7 upon 25. Okay, so 16 minus 9 is 7 upon 25. Now you need to check for the RHS. Solving RHS, that is right hand side. So cos square A minus sine square A, done. So here basically what I will be doing is, I'll be substituting the value of cos. So what is the value of cos? 4 by 5. 4 by 5 whole square. What is the value of sine? 3 by 5 whole square. So 4 by 5 means 16 upon 25 minus 9 upon 25. Again this will be 7 upon 25 because LCM is same. So both the values are equal. So they are equal, hence this is true, right? So we have solved this question. I hope you understand this question, students. Please share with your friends and keep watching, subscribe. Thank you.